Foam cannons enhance touchless car washing by producing thick foam that lifts dirt safely, reducing scratches and improving cleaning efficiency. My today's video is about top 5 best foam cannons for touchless car washing that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Raging Rhino Waterless Car Wash. The Raging Rhino Smart 1, CWS22420SW, is a powerful all-in-one detailing solution designed to simplify car care. Replacing 4 separate products, waterless wash, quick detailer, spray wax, and ceramic topper, it delivers serious convenience in a single 20 fluid ounces bottle. Powered by Seraphine technology, it not only cleans but also leaves behind a durable hydrophobic layer that repels water, dust, and road contaminants, helping your vehicle stay cleaner for longer. Its versatility stands out, being safe on paint, glass, wheels, chrome, and trim, while also working seamlessly over existing ceramic coatings, waxes, and sealants without stripping protection. The spray and wipe application is quick and user-friendly, producing a streak-free, high-gloss finish with minimal effort, ideal for light to moderate dirt. It efficiently removes dust, fingerprints, and pollen, though heavier grime may require pre-washing. With excellent coverage, a little product goes a long way, making it cost-effective. Overall, it's a smart, efficient choice for modern car detailing. Now our second product is Washchem's Pro 30 Touchless. This touchless industrial shampoo is a heavy-duty cleaning solution designed for demanding environments like construction sites, farms, and transport fleets. Formulated for industrial and large vehicle cleaning, it easily tackles tough grime, grease, and embedded dirt without the need for scrubbing. Simply dilute, apply foam, and rinse, making the cleaning process fast, efficient, and labor-saving. Its powerful emulsifying action breaks down stubborn contaminants on tractors, loaders, buses, trains, and other heavy machinery, ensuring a deep clean with minimal effort. Despite its strength, it remains safe for wraps, ceramic coatings, and delicate exterior finishes, making it highly versatile across modern vehicle protection systems. The product's multi-purpose nature allows it to clean everything from agricultural equipment like plows and seeders to engines, DPF filters, and ATVs. Highly concentrated, 1 gallon delivers the cleaning power of 10 gallons from competing brands, making it extremely cost-effective for large-scale use. Biodegradable formulation also ensures environmentally responsible cleaning without compromising performance or efficiency. Our third product is Adam's Mega Foam Car Wash Soap. Adam's Mega Foam Shampoo is a high-performance detailing solution engineered specifically for foam guns and foam cannons, delivering an extreme level of thick, clinging suds. With a concentration up to 10 times stronger than standard car wash soaps, it produces dense foam coverage that blankets the entire vehicle, allowing dirt to be safely lifted away without scratching the paint. Its advanced blend of cleaners and polymers is designed to break down and remove everyday contaminants such as dirt, pollen, soot, and road grime with ease. The rich lubrication created by the foam helps reduce friction during washing, making it safer for delicate surfaces and protecting your vehicle's finish. Ideal for routine maintenance washes, Mega Foam ensures a smooth, scratch-free cleaning experience while maximizing foam output for better dwell time and cleaning efficiency. It's a powerful, professional-grade shampoo built for enthusiasts who want deep cleaning with maximum safety. Now number 4, Chemical Guy's Maxi Suds. Maxi Suds 2 Soap, CWS101-64SW, is a premium high-foaming car wash solution designed for both enthusiasts and professional detailers. Engineered for foam cannons, foam guns, and traditional bucket washes, it produces thick, rich suds that cling to the surface and safely lift away dirt, grime, and road film without damaging the paint. Its pH-balanced formula is gentle yet effective, making it safe for waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. This ensures your vehicle's protective layers remain intact while still achieving a deep, glossy clean after every wash. The high lubricity of the foam reduces friction during washing, helping to minimize swirl marks and micro scratches. Infused with a pleasant cherry scent, it enhances the washing experience, making routine maintenance more enjoyable. Versatile and safe for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and RVs, it works on all paint types and finishes. The half-gallon size offers excellent value, providing multiple washes with consistent, professional-grade performance. And our last choice is Swift Touchless Car Wash Shampoo. This touchless shampoo is a highly efficient, no-brush cleaning solution designed for fast and powerful vehicle maintenance. It generates thick, white foam that clings to surfaces and breaks down heavy dirt, grease, and road grime without requiring any physical scrubbing. Ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, motorcycles, trailers, and even industrial equipment, it delivers a truly hands-free washing experience. Its application process is extremely simple. Just load it into a foam cannon, spray it onto a dry vehicle, allow 2 to 3 minutes for activation, and rinse off with a pressure washer. This eliminates the need for washing mitts, brushes, or repeated wiping, significantly saving time and effort. Formulated with a balanced alkaline cleaner and traffic film remover, it is ready to use straight from the bottle with no dilution required. Despite its strong cleaning power, it remains safe on paint, plastic, rubber, chrome, glass, ceramic coatings, wraps, and PPF surfaces. Highly economical, 1 gallon can clean up to 10 vehicles efficiently. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.